Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Dives. Today I have a very interesting and special unboxing. Something that came in from Sportsman Guide. We will take a look, and I don't want to show too much information. Run out of stickers to cover up my info. So if I move things out of view, you'll know why. Today I'm opening up with my Spyderco Shaman. This is with the Rips Garage Technology titanium milled textured scales and a CME, compression made easy, from OCD for EDC. This is the Blade Ops exclusive LMAX Shaman. Really like this knife. Alright, let's make sure we don't have any receipts in here. And we do, so we're going to put that off to the side. We got magazines. Okay, get rid of that. And there we go. What else do we have in there? Oh, that's it. Just the box. Alright, so today we're opening up a Leatherman. Now I have one already, and I want to have one perhaps for my car. So let's take a look at this one, alright? This one is going to be the Charge Plus TTI. I mean, go big or go home, right? So let's take a look at this. Alright, so this is the titanium version of the Leatherman. It comes with a sheath. It also comes with a tool kit and some clips and a pocket clip you can carry in your pocket. Of course, here's a little instruction book. Talks a little bit about all the different things. So, what else do we have on here? Multi-purpose mission. So there you go. So here's the sheath. That's where it would fit in. Then in this we have what do we have? We have a clip. I have to figure out where that would fit. I'm sure that would fit in here somewhere. Right? And then we have a lanyard loop. Okay, so I'm sure this clips in here somewhere. And then we have a little tool kit, and I'm sure that goes probably right there. Yeah, you pull that out, and there's your tool bits. So let's see. All right, so there's the blade. So S30V, flat grind, pretty sharp, not terribly sharp, but pretty sharp. And this looks like a liner lock, so you push that in to release it. Very cool. Over here we have what? Okay, we have a saw or a serrated blade. We got a gut hook right there, probably good for opening packages. Super, super sharp. All right, what do we have over here? All right, a saw. So this is a saw. Nice, very sharp. It locks right there. Cool. And over here we have what? We have a file. Pretty good file. A really fine file and a pretty rough file. Very good. Okay. And over here we have tweezers. Got a crimper. Got wire cutters. Right? Very cool. And then we have a ruler over here. So I guess this would be your ruler right here, right? Then we have, all right, so here's our drive bit, and that's the one you can switch out the bits for. And we have, what do we have? We have, looks like a, I'm gonna guess that's like a T10 or something, or what is this? Okay, so that's a T15 1/8 bit drive. Okay, and then we have. So I mean, it'd be nice to have some other drill, some other bits. So here's a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver, and you can have smaller. That's a T8. That's a square, and I don't know what that's called, but got because I never use it. You have, looks like an Allen wrench, sort of. I don't know if those are Torx. Yeah, those don't look like Torx. So, looks like Allen wrenches. So there's only one Torx. So it'd probably be nice to know if I can order some other ones. I would definitely add some Torx for my knives and stuff, right? So then we have, looks like we have maybe a pry bar. So that's a pry bar. And then what is this right here? This is, okay, so scissors with a little ability to move around. And then that locks it in place, unlocks it, okay. And then we have, I already talked about that one. What is this? So, okay, so this is a small screwdriver. Get this one out of the way. Yep, so this could be like for your glasses or something. That's cool. Now what do we have here? That's a screwdriver, all right. I mean, that's a scissors. So cool. All right, to release that, you press that. It goes forward. See that? Now let's see what we have over here. Got the screwdriver here. And then we have, yep, we have a can opener. Cool, now that releases the lock. Goes back in there. So it's relatively light because it's titanium handles. You got screws, you can tighten it. I bet those T15, I bet that fits this one. Let's see. Nope. It's a different size. Yeah, it's curious. Yeah, that's cool. Let's see how this works. All right, so we got phosphor bronze washers in there. That's cool. I don't know if you can see that, phosphor bronze washers around there. That's neat. Now this is the locking mechanism that locks some of the things open. Likewise over here. So I'm not sure what this is right there. Looks like some sort of spring action. Yeah, we'll have to figure that out. We'll break in a little bit, so that's nice. All right, so this is the Leatherman multi-tool. This is called the Charge Plus TTI. So this is stainless. Oh, I hope it's the titanium one. Better not be stainless. Let's double check that. that's stainless. That's stainless. Yeah, it definitely looks like titanium. It says titanium. Looks good. It's interesting how this is. Washers there. That's really cool. Huh. It's got a little bit of grease in there. That's interesting. Not bad. Nice little tool. I like it. I like the fact that there's a blade in here. You can definitely use that. And then you can close it. Very cool little multi-tool. I like it. I got a great deal on it too. So I'm super excited about that. This one will probably, I'm going to guess this one's going to stay in the office. And then I'll put my rebar into my car. That would be a good car tool, you know. Is this magnetic? Yeah, very cool. This one's made in USA, obviously. All the parts, you got screws and everything. You can take it apart, do all sorts of things. I can put the pocket clip on here. I'm not exactly sure where that's going to go. That I'll have to figure out. Maybe right here? Like that? Yeah. There you go. Very cool. Or I could have put a lanyard loop on there, I guess. That little nick right there is where it's going to log in right there, so that's cool. I wonder if I'm missing anything. I think I saw all the tools, right? Screwdriver, can opener, kind of pry bar. What about this little guy? What is this? Yeah, small screwdriver, scissors. Very cool. I like that. I'm going to put that on there. And then this is supposed to fit right in. Right? Does this go in here? No. It's got to go over here. Yeah, there we go. Very cool. I'm gonna probably put this little clip right in here. You know what? It'd probably be best if I leave it over here with the box, because it's not something I'm gonna probably typically use, right? Oh, yeah, here we go. That's interesting. What are they doing right there? Looks like they're pushing some button. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry, I'm just checking all these things out. There's a lot there. Looking at all these tools. So this book has just a ton of things on here. Probably a fast forward a lot of this stuff if I'm not interacting a whole lot. It's kind of late. I wanted to open this before I went to bed, but I thought it was really cool. And I wanted to share it with you guys, all the different things it can do. It's probably the nicest Leatherman I'll ever have. So there we go. I'm going to oil this a little bit too, because it looks like it would loosen up really nicely if you have a little oil on it. But very cool. Nice little knife. Knife, multi-tool, whatever you want to call it. Would never be able to take that on because of that on the airplane. So anyways, there we go. This is the Leatherman plus TTI. So there you go. And I put the clip on there. Now if I want to take that clip off, I can just take that and probably, yeah, just loosen that up and it comes right out. You see that? Or I can put it back on, lock it in. There you go. Nice little tool. I like it. Very cool. I feel like it should at some point be able to open and close pretty nicely, right? You'd want it to. Very cool. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm not sure what some of these tools are in here, but still cool. There you go. Yeah, I thought I saw people flicking this open, so I got to break this in, I think. And it'll be nice. Nice. Hey, if you found this opening and unboxing interesting, informative, or just different, you're entertained, or what have you, would you consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've hit that like button, would you consider hitting the subscribe button? And subscribing and liking the videos on this channel really helps out. Helps me to grow the channel, be able to do more things, provide more content. If you've done all that, would you please consider hitting the notification button down below? You can be notified of future content when it's dropped. Hey, thanks so much for watching today. And if you've, maybe check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day, a great week. Bye.